Alright guys, I noticed a lot of traders are finding very difficult to journal their trades, and that plays a major part in trade, especially when you are trading, you are not a profitable trader, or even if you're a profitable trader, you just want to journal your trade and you feel you don't have that consistency to always journal your trade. So this is the best way to use just to journal your trade. Just use a Telegram, just copy and paste it on Telegram, and everything saves into your Google Sheet just like this. As you can see, our last trade was gold buys and our profit was 110, and basically do anything. So I'm just going to show you the step-by-step guide on a review of what I did. And first of all, what we need to do is to go to our trading journal. We're just going to take any trade that we took. Okay, we're just going to go with any trade, or we just go with this. I'm just going to go with any trade. So I just go with this. So just what to do is just take a screenshot and just copy it in here, copy it, then save it. So we go to our photo, and we do this. Just copy it and paste it on our Telegram. Just send it. So when we send it, what we did is our JPY 0.8 lot and our profit was 160. So right now we'll just go back to our Google Sheet, and you will see it was journaled right here. Our JPY was buy and it was $160 in profit. This was our entry, this was our exit, and it was buy our JPY and our profit 160. Here was, I don't know what's here. Okay, it was there. Our SL, here was our stop loss we put and our TP we used. So just gonna go further, and here was the open time, and here was the close time, I guess. Open time and close time. As you can see, open time and close time, and you can see the ticket. The lot size we used 0.8, and it was a win. And the most interesting thing is AI is going to write us a quick review of the trade, a quick review of what they sell in the trade. We will check excellent. Wearable 2 points. Our risk to reward was wearable 2.1. Logic, execution logic not applicable, and no sign of over leveraging. 0.8 lot size acceptable for our JPY, and advice discipline execution. Keep repeating this structure. You see, AI just gave us a quick review of it. So hi guys, here is a quick video on my Telegram AI trading system, journal system. This basically just journal our trade immediately into our Google Sheet without we manually just writing this inside the Google Sheet. So I'm going to be taking you step by step on how this actually works, and if you are looking to scaling into this, you can as well build this for yourself. If you are trading, if you are not a profitable trader, or if you are a profitable trader, you can basically just journal your trading, and you know, at least you can always come back here and see the trades you made and the errors you've made for a particular period of time. And the most interesting thing about it is that it also writes a good review about the trade you made, like this. It basically just write your risk to reward and everything you need to know. So basically what we are going to be doing now is to we have 2 trades already that we took this week, and we wanted to implement it inside this zone. So first of all, I will run you throughout the workflow. Here's the workflow of this particular trading journal system and Telegram trading journal system. As you can see, this is a Telegram trigger, and here is where extract the data from Telegram. Let me just say, when you have after closing the trade, all you just need to do is just to screenshot this trade, copy the datas in the screenshot, then just send it to Telegram and let the Telegram do the rest, and let the workflow do the rest and save it into your Google Sheet. So, and that's it. And later I will discuss about the second workflow, but this first workflow we are going to discuss it. So if you need this, I will also put it in the description below, or you can also send link, and just send a link in the comment section, then I'll give you this. You will see this template, then you just fill out put in your details, your criteria here, and you are done. And this, I will give you the full JSON template here. And first of all, I'll run a quick the Telegram that I want to the trade I want to journal. So I'm just going to journal this trade right here. Okay, I have these trades already that I took, so I'm just gonna copy it. And if you watch my previous video, you will see where I did that, where so I'm just gonna toggle this on first. If you watch the previous video, you will see how I basically just screenshot and just copy all these things and paste on my Telegram. That's it, very simple. So here, as you can see, we stop at AUDJPY, and we're about to impute another trade we just closed. So I'm just going to Telegram again to do it, so you will see how it will appear. So I do the trigger and let's see what happens next. So I'm just going to try it with 2 trades and let's see what happens. As you can see, a new trade has been journaled. Sorry, I think it's because I was here. As you can see, a new trade has been journaled. Arrow CHF, and you can see minus 847, and the time we entered here is the entry, yeah, exit P&L. All right, let's see again. We have the entry, exit, and the P&L, and here is the, I think here is the take profit. Here is the percentage it ran, and here is the open time, and here is the close time. Here's the ID of the trade, and here is the lot size we use, and here it was a loss. As you can see, minus 847. This was a loss. And let's see the brief review AI gave to us. That's the most interesting thing. AI just gave us a brief review about the trade, and this is absolutely amazing. Just look at what AI said. They say the risk to reward was below 1 to 5. The loss with tight SL, possible stop loss from victim. Over leveraging, said we over leverage, which was 3 lot size, excessive for a arrow CHF, unless account size justifies it, unless if we are using a big account size. So the coaching advisor, stop chasing trade with weak rewards, set up an oversized position. You get, so it says we should not oversize. That was basically what he emphasized on this. So what we are going to do next is to put in the second trade to see what we also did in the second trade. The second trade is AUD card. Let's just copy it. All right, let's just copy it and post it into our Telegram. All right, then we send. So and let the workflow do the rest. So we are going to see a new rule will be applied here. As you can see, arrow card, our set, we did sell, and here's the entry, here's the exit, and here is our take profit. So our profit was 1,655. We had loss here, that's why it was minus, and we have a win here, and here is our I think here is our stop loss also, and here is our open time and close time, and here is the ID of the trade, and we used 3 lot size, and it was a 1. As you can see, here was loss and here was 1. As you can see, it was 1 because this was in profit. So look at the review it gives to us. It was acceptable but nearing the lower bound. Keep aiming for higher reward setup. It was 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. Then it was a win, no loss to analyze. Lot size of 3 on arrow cards suggests possible over leveraging, likely to aggressive unless account size justifies it. That's what it actually said right here. You get, so it's not trying to quote everything, it's just telling us the fact that our lot size is too big. It depends on the type of account you are using. So that's what it says here, the size of account. And the advice it had for us was size down before the market forces you to. You get, So no discipline execution were done. So that's what he said about this. And you can also put this in mind just to journal your trading all the time. So I'll walk you through it again. Here is the trigger, and here is what collect our data. This is the AI, the brain behind it, that review, that give us those review we had, that tells us we oversize and all of that. This collect all the data, the entry, the exit, and all of that, the profit, the time you enter the trade, the time you left the trade, and all of that. This then it appends the row into our Google Sheet. This is where it send into our Google Sheet, as you can see. So right here is the second workflow right here. The second workflow is basically the workflow that triggers on Sunday. As you can see, it says Sunday 8 a.m. This is what I said, because after the week runs out, on Sundays or on Saturday, whichever time you're free, you can as well just input the time here, and it triggers and sends you the weekly review, the trade you took throughout the week. It sends you the review. Here it gets the review from the Google Sheet. Here's the Google Sheet. Then it collects all the data. Then it uses AI to analyze it and give us the performance, our win rate, the discipline, if we are over leveraging, if we over traded, if we do a lot of things. It's going to specify it here and send it to us on Telegram. So right now, I'll go to my Telegram. Here is where you will see the review of the weekly review. So let's say we should just trigger it now, and let's see what will happen. Trigger. Then as you can see, send it. AI is analyzing the whole chart of the week. Then it sends it to us on Telegram. As you can see, this didn't actually take a lot of time. So let's just read what it said. It said weekly performance executive summary period last 7 days. As you can see, bottom line, our net profit was 1,799. So we took a lot of losses. So our win rate was 57%, total losses 21, total win 12. We had 12 wins, and at the end, total trades was 21. We have 12 wins, and losses was 9. And at the end, we also, we had profits of the week, which was 1,799. AI coach added profit was 1,000, win rate was 57, trade was 21. So it actually still stated it again. The status head, profit factors, AI calculated average fee per trade, didn't specify that, discipline score grade. So it rated us C. C is not bad. C is okay. So it says despite the same profit and possible win rate of 51%, the fee cost. So I think the fee made mistake here. I don't think the fee was up to that extent. It's a serious red flag fee. So you shouldn't mind this, maybe you made mistake for the fee. It must not be perfect, but I think it's perfect for the profit side. If you should calculate it, you see that it's perfect in the profit side. Fees are nearly 18x. So I think there is a mistake in this fee, of which I will correct later. Warning, your fees. So it's basically talking about the fee, and if I can go there, I will cancel out the fee. And your psychological to stop chasing every setup. Focus on high conviction trades with cleaner entry point. Over trading keys account, not just morale. So it basically noticed that we overtraded for the week, and that's why it's saying this step behavior change. Cut trade volume by 50%. Immediately fewer higher quality trades, or you just feed in the broker. This was kind of funny. So next week, focus and do better. You see, this is what it sends to us, Alpha Journal AI. So this is what it sent to us, and that was a trade that we took for the week. And this we send weekly review, and this is the one that triggers every day whenever we post in we paste in our trades on Telegram. You get it? Alright guys, this is a brief video. If you want this full workflow, just comment link in my comment section, and I will send you the free workflow, the template, and everything that you need. And I will also send you the guide on how to or I will just post a video below it on how on how to create this kind of trading journal. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.